is a G-Wagon Brabus limousine. It's a $500,000 limo, and it's two-tone. You got white and black, and the red line in the middle, just like the Juventus shirt. Right here, boom, Brabus. So when you hop on the other side, you got a black limo. The paint job alone was $15,000. And these are 24-inch Boston rims. Another $15,000. Now obviously my favorite part is the inside. Take a look. Now this fits 18 people, and if you want, you can turn on the interior lights. The roof, the panels, the sides can be changed. Blue, purple, red. This is your first bar. You can keep your mixers, your alcohols. You have another bar all the way down here. If you look, you have your first monitor right here as well. We head over that way. We have our second monitor. Here are the controls for the AC. And this is your infotainment system. Along with all of the different switches, you can control your lasers, your radios, your TVs, a bunch of different things. And this is the second lounge. It's like the VIP lounge, a bit more private, and you have the biggest monitor of all, along with a third little station to hold your drinks. Up here you have a little latch, a little emergency latch, in case something goes wrong and you need an emergency exit. And even though you have that cool door over there, you also have a normal door that you can get out of as well. This is a 12-meter limo, 35 feet. And you can book it in Los Angeles with the biggest limo. Over here, you have your spare wheel. They're actually Pirelli tires. You never see limos with Pirelli tires. Let's take it for a spin. Come on, Hank and Kate. Let's get the supercar back to you.
Let's do it.